Name Enterprise carries a legacy unlike any other in naval history, and when the future USS Enterprise, designated CVN-80, was authorized, it instantly became one of the most anticipated warships ever conceived. Still under construction, this Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carrier represents not only the next generation of American naval power, but also the continuation of a name that has sailed through centuries of conflict, exploration, and technological transformation. From the earliest wooden sailing ships to the world's first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, the Enterprise name has always stood at the forefront of innovation, and CVN-80 is designed to carry that tradition well into the mid-21st century. Construction of USS Enterprise (CVN-80) is taking place at Huntington Ingalls Industries' Newport News Shipbuilding in Virginia, the only shipyard in the United States capable of building nuclear-powered aircraft carriers. The process is massive in scale and precision, involving thousands of engineers, welders, electricians, and naval architects working in carefully sequenced phases. Unlike earlier carriers, CVN-80 is benefiting from lessons learned during the construction of USS Gerald R. Ford and USS John F. Kennedy. This means improved workflows, more efficient module construction, and reduced long-term costs, all while maintaining the highest standards of quality and survivability. At the heart of USS Enterprise is the Gerald R. Ford-class design, which represents the most significant evolution in aircraft carrier technology since the introduction of nuclear power. CVN-80 will displace over 100,000 tons when fully loaded, making it one of the largest warships ever built. Its immense size allows it to serve as a floating airbase, command center, and power projection platform capable of influencing events across entire regions of the globe. Despite its scale, every aspect of the ship is engineered for efficiency, from internal layouts to advanced automation systems. One of the defining features of USS Enterprise is its nuclear propulsion system. Powered by two A-1B nuclear reactors, the ship will have virtually unlimited range, constrained only by food supplies and crew endurance. These reactors generate significantly more power than those found on Nimitz-class carriers, allowing CVN-80 to support advanced systems now and in the future. This surplus electrical power is critical for next-generation sensors, electronic warfare suites, and potentially directed energy weapons such as lasers. Aircraft operations remain the primary mission of the carrier, and USS Enterprise is designed to conduct them at an unprecedented pace. The introduction of the electromagnetic aircraft launch system, or EMALS, replaces traditional steam catapults. EMALS provides smoother acceleration, reducing stress on aircraft airframes and allowing a wider variety of aircraft, including lighter unmanned systems, to be launched. Complementing this is the advanced arresting gear system, which improves recovery efficiency and safety while accommodating a broader range of aircraft weights. The air wing aboard USS Enterprise will be one of the most versatile ever deployed at sea. It is expected to include F-35C Lightning II stealth fighters, FA-180 F Super Hornets, EA-18G Growlers for electronic warfare, E-2D Advanced Hawkeyes for airborne early warning, and a growing number of unmanned aerial vehicles. These aircraft enable the carrier to perform missions ranging from air superiority and strike warfare to intelligence gathering and humanitarian assistance. The ship's design allows for higher sortie generation rates, meaning more aircraft can be launched, recovered, armed, and refueled in less time than on previous carriers. Survivability is another area where USS Enterprise sets new standards. The Ford class incorporates enhanced damage control systems, improved compartmentalization, and advanced sensors that allow the crew to respond rapidly to threats or onboard emergencies. Automation reduces crew workload, enabling faster decision-making during combat or crisis situations. Fewer sailors are required to operate the ship compared to earlier classes, which not only reduces long-term costs but also improves living conditions and operational efficiency. Life aboard USS Enterprise is designed with the crew in mind. Modern berthing areas, improved galleys, and upgraded medical facilities reflect an understanding that crew readiness is directly tied to comfort and morale. Advanced training systems allow sailors to rehearse complex scenarios on board, reducing the need for extensive shore-based exercises. These improvements help ensure that the ship can remain deployed for extended periods without sacrificing performance or crew well-being. The strategic importance of USS Enterprise extends far beyond its physical capabilities. As a symbol of American naval dominance, the carrier serves as a powerful deterrent to potential adversaries. Its mere presence in a region can influence diplomatic negotiations, reassure allies, and discourage hostile actions. In times of crisis, a carrier strike group centered around USS Enterprise can deliver rapid, decisive force without relying on foreign bases or permissions. The legacy of the Enterprise name adds a profound layer of meaning to CVN-80. From the Revolutionary War to World War II, from the Cold War to modern conflicts, ships bearing this name have consistently played pivotal roles. The most famous predecessor, USS Enterprise (CVN-65), was the world's first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier and served for over 50 years. CVN-80 is not just a successor in name, it is a continuation of a legacy defined by innovation, resilience, and leadership at sea. As construction progresses, each milestone brings USS Enterprise closer to joining the fleet. From keel laying to module integration, from reactor installation to sea trials, every step is a testament to American industrial capability and naval expertise. When completed, CVN-80 will undergo extensive testing to ensure that every system performs as designed, preparing the ship for decades of service. Looking toward the future, USS Enterprise is expected to remain operational well into the second half of the 21st century. Its design allows for upgrades and adaptations as technology evolves, ensuring relevance in an era of rapidly changing threats. Cyber warfare, hypersonic weapons, and space-based systems are all factors shaping modern conflict, and CVN-80 is built to integrate seamlessly into this complex battlespace. In essence, USS Enterprise (CVN-80) represents the fusion of history and future vision. Still under construction, it already stands as a symbol of what modern naval power can achieve when innovation, experience, and strategic purpose come together. When it finally sails, it will not only carry aircraft and sailors across the world's oceans, but also the weight of a legendary name and the responsibility of safeguarding global stability. The story of USS Enterprise is far from finished, and its next chapter promises to be one of the most influential in naval history.